What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, hopefully, will be a quick install because your boy got a wedding to crash in about 4 hours or so. But today, we're gonna be working on the Fender Garnish. Boom! So our boy, you probably might know him. He's kind of IG famous. He's a celebrity for the 86 community. My boy Carl, 2 girls, 1 Carl. Ooh, passed on some carbon fiber Fender Garnish, and we're gonna be putting them on today. Hopefully, it'll be easy and run into no issues because I don't got time for issues today. So let's get right into it. All right, so before we put the car on jacks, go ahead and remove the 2 pop clips for the side skirts. If I can see them, I don't see them. Maybe because this car's too low on the ground, but I can't see shit. I think my Saber design side skirt might be right on top of the pop clips. I can't really see it. Oh no, I see them. They're all the way back here, bro. Let's try this again. Try this again. Alright, let's go ahead and take the wheels off real quick. So, I took off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think about 7 pop clips. Look, I'm missing a nut right here. Why am I missing a nut? Brother. Disclaimer, I only got a jack holding this car up, and that is not what you should be doing. So don't be like me. So once you're able to access the back of the original Fender Garnish, I think there should be like a nut back here. For some reason I do not feel that nut. Oh. I guess there is no nut. When I was watching Kevin Bowe's video, he unscrewed some nut, but I guess there is no nut on this new one. You do have this double-side tape up here. I'm wondering if the shop that redid that fixed the car after I got into an accident, took this off and forgot to replace it, but no nut, bro. Okay, to put the new one on, easy. It just goes right in. Now I need to find a nut that fits. I mean, a bolt that fits this bolt. Oh, we need to replace these 3 on tape. Apparently, you're supposed to cut this piece out right here, but when Carl did it to his car, he told me that he didn't need to do all that. So let's try to put it on without cutting anything first. Hey, I don't know, man. I think we do. I think we do need to cut all of that out. Hey, look at this. We have to cut all of this out. Boom. Finish result. Oh, this thing is sick. All right, what do you guys think? Keep it full carbon, wrap the top part red, or wrap the whole thing red? I don't know, man. I would have to try all three and see, but bro, even like this, kind of sick. The only thing is that nothing else on my car is carbon, minus the wing. But even that is already color matched. So I'm gonna have to rock this for a while and see how I feel and go off of a vibe check. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. Hey man, it was a pain in the ass at first, but once I figured out how to do it, it's shit pretty easy. Not gonna lie. I went into it with only one video, which is Kevin Bow, and I skimmed right through it, which I shouldn't have. I should have just watched the whole thing. But thanks to him, I finally figured it out. The other side should be easy peasy. But check that out. Sheesh. I did end up having to cut the fender liner because I don't know how Carl did it without cutting it, but I had to cut it, otherwise it sticks out like this much. See, like this much. So I cut it. Now it looks clean cut. Look at that. Sheesh. All right, let's do the other side. All right, so my camera is actually dying, and I checked all the batteries, and all the batteries are dead, bro. So if it dies on y'all, I am sorry. I will try to get it back up ASAP. But let's go ahead and put the wheel back on. I want to fix my fitment, bro, but I need to add a I need to change out the wheel studs. I need to change out studs to get some extended ones if I want to. I don't know. Anyone want to trade my wheels? Anyone got some white ones they want to trade? Getting a little bored of these wheels, even though they look great. Don't get me wrong, they look amazing. Boom!
Confusion is the movement that is still in my head. Am I insane? It's been so long, the time is stalled, and I'm in your head. I'm about to lose
Firmly
myself.
grasp it.
And I don't know what to say, and I don't know what to
Firmly
do.
grasp it.
Didn't plan on thinking about you. You're messing with my brain.
Very
And I know I just wanna walk away, but you're making me
go.
stay. So just tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want, 'cause I don't wanna be stuck in this dream. Oh, I guess this is what you like. For me to hardly put up a fight, knowing it just ain't right for you to have a hold on me. And I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. I didn't plan on thinking about you. You're messing with my brain, and I know I
Oh
just
shit!
wanna walk
Either this thing
away.
is sick.
Making me stay.
But no, I think we do need some black accents on the car if we want to rock these full carbon like this. What do you guys think though? What do you guys think? Sheesh. Cinematic real quick. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching today's video. I think that's all. My bad. I just hit the mic and probably made a bunch of noise. But thank you for watching the video. If you watched it this far, much appreciation to y'all. The car looks great. I hope you guys think so too. Just a quick announcement that your boy will be at Alpha Rex HQ on August 8th to celebrate 8/6 Day. I'm gonna be boothing with Kevin Vo's Driven Media booth, so be sure to check it out. We're gonna showcase the bezel, the LD bezel that he came out with, so that will be cool. Video is coming on Monday, so video on that soon. But like always, catch you guys on the next one. Later.